Maragos, who has our women's champion, Howie Fesa. Alex.
Marion, thank you. Our women's champion here, Howie Fesa. Please tell me, Howie, first, congratulations. Tell me how you feel winning this marathon and first time in Chicago.
የመጀመሪያ እንኳን ደስ አለሽ እና ለማሸነፍ ምን ማለት ነው እና እኔ ተሰሚያታለሽ
በጀመራ ፈጣሪን አመሰግናለሁ ለዚህ ቀን ያበቃኝ አምላኬን በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ሲቀጥል እዚህ እንድመጣ በጀመራ ኦርጋናይዘሮቹ ስለጋበዙኝ እዚህ እንድመጣ ስለጠሩኝ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ በማሸነፌ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ በጣም ሰርቻለሁ ለዚህ የሚበቃ ትሬኒንግ ሰርቻለሁ በጀመራም አሸንፋለሁ ብዬ ነው መጣው ፈጣሪ ደግሞ ረዳኝ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል
First of all, I'd like to thank God. I've prayed a lot, and that's helped me. And the organizers, it's the first time they've invited me here. So winning here, it's been amazing. I worked really hard. I trained really hard to have this victory, and I'm really happy, and I just thank God.
It's a personal best for you here in Chicago. What about this course allowed you to win and pull away from a very good and crowded field here at the beginning?
የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ እዚህ ቺካጎ መጣሽ እና ኃይለኛ ጎበዝ አትሌቶች እዚህ ፊልዱ ነበረ እንዴት ሄደሽ እንዴት ማሸነፍ ነሽ
በጀመራ ትሬኒንግ በጣም ጠንካራ ትሬኒንግ አሰርቶኛል የኔ ኮች በጀመራ ኮችን በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ለዚህ እንዲያሸንፍ የረዳኝ አንደኛ ፈጣሪ ነው ሁለተኛ ደግሞ የኔ አሰልጣኝ ሁሉ ጊዜ ይነግረኛል የሆነ ውድድር ልሄድ ሲል ታሸንፋለሽ ብሎ ሞራል በጣም ይሰጥኛል ለዛው አሸንፋለሁ ብዬ ዛሬም ወደፊት ወጥቼ አሸነፍኩት
My coach has been extremely instrumental in this training block. He's given me really hard training that prepared me well. So I have to thank him. And again, I have to thank God. And also, beyond just the training, he's given me a lot of confidence. He's told me many times you can win. So he's given me a lot of morale that made me think I could do this.
Congratulations, Howie. Thanks for running in Chicago.
እንኳን ደስ አለሽ አመሰግናለሁ
Marion, back to you.
All right, Alex Maragos.